Audi and Volkswagen of Newton operate on the core belief that a superior customer sales and service experience.
Welcome to AWDVWNewton.com. Once again, here's a beautiful pre-owned 2011 Volvo XC70. You know what? I'm about to trade in my own car for this. I've been seeing a lot of these on the road, and I'm very impressed. I actually drive a Volvo myself. It's right outside here, the little photography showroom. And I have to say, this is my first time in the newer shape. Very, very impressive. The key is impressive. I'm definitely liking this vehicle. Everything about it is cool. It says XC right on it. It's stamped on all the wheels. It's got that body cladding on the bottom. You have adjustable racks on the top. Go skiing, snowboarding, you name it. It says XC right here. I like those little things. I think it really makes an automobile. I currently have a Audi Allroad, which is very similar to this, you know, looks wise and everything else. And unfortunately, I was thinking about maybe trading up to this Volvo because I've really been seeing them on the road. Really like the way they look. It's a big car, big wagon, has all the books, and I know, very reliable also. You know what? Let me move these out of the way because I want to show you something which I couldn't believe what I just saw. That is great. I could put my equipment in here for photography, you name it, put things, brochures in here. I mean, this is it's great. I like stuff like that. Underneath is your spare. Even has the bag over there when you change your tire. That so the interior doesn't get dirty. The DVD for the navigation's in there. Has all the mats. And this is really cool too. Check this out. This I really like. And it holds up there with hydraulics. You could, of course, also take it off. Another thing, when this hatch is open, the lights automatically come on. Kind of like a safety feature. Has the rear backup camera. I like the aluminum trim, the body cladding. You know, when I see these, it kind of brings me to the point where, you know, you're out there, you're doing things, you could go anywhere that you want. Look at this. It says Volvo right on the windshield wiper. Really cool. Also has the rubber mats, they're already in there. Seats are plush, they're comfortable. Has a different grain in the middle, a little bit harder, so you could kind of stay in the middle. And also what I like is their instrument panel, check that out. Goes right through. High quality, the wood. A 12-volt outlet. Has an auxiliary in. Now, here's the remote control for the nav. So yes, where's the nav? Hidden out. We'll check it out in a second when I start her up. Lots of features. This also pops up straight. Take a look at the photos that I've done. You'll see that. Heated seats, 12-volt outlet. Oh, a little blurry, there we go. Plenty of room. Those huge headrests in the Volvos. What they are, it also has to do with the whiplash protection. Also, you have the vent here. Headlight washers. And now that Volvo symbol's even bigger. They're proud, they're bold. And you also have that ground clearance on these to get over the snow, dirt, the rough. 30,510 miles. That's nothing on a Volvo. My Volvo outside, 170,000. And that is just actually breaking in. Actually, the key just sucked in itself. Pretty cool. This is the part I like. Oh yeah. Another cool thing is this. Yeah, watch. I like the way that looks. Shows the car. Have a full keypad here for the phone, your air. You can put it where you want. Also shows you on the screen. Very nice. Adjust the temps here. So it's like a, you know, it's cool because you have remote control. Because you get in these cars, you're like, well, how the heck do you actually run the nav? Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. It's in 3D mode. Go out real far, 60 miles. Oh yeah. Up top, all your lighting. Also kind of reminds me of like a airplane, the way it says that. The fasten seat belts. In the middle, have your trip computer. Also has a read button there in case there's any issues, no messages. That's always a good thing. Has front and rear fog lights, trunk release, fuel door release, electric parking brake, your cruise control buttons, volume control, and also you could switch the station there. Really, really hot ride. You know, the funny thing is, there's barely any wagons. Everybody, you know, everything has to be SUV, so if you long for that car-like drive and fuel economy, this is definitely the way to go. Come down to Newton for the best deal.
Facebook and visit us in person at 34 Hampton Road, Newton, New Jersey. Or call us at 877-372-3209.